New Orleans is known as the birthplace of jazz, with legendary musicians like Louis Armstrong and Duke Ellington contributing significantly to the genre's development. The city is famous for its unique blend of French, Spanish, and African cultural influences, which is reflected in its architecture, cuisine, and traditions. New Orleans hosts the largest free music festival in the United States, the New Orleans Jazz Heritage Festival, attracting hundreds of thousands of visitors each year. The historic French Quarter is renowned for its vibrant nightlife, colorful buildings, and the iconic Bourbon Street, which is famous for its lively bars and music venues. New Orleans has a rich culinary scene, famous for dishes like gumbo, jambalaya, beignets, and po' boys, blending flavors from various cultures. The city is home to the St. Louis Cathedral, the oldest continuously active Roman Catholic cathedral in the United States, dating back to 1789. New Orleans celebrates Mardi Gras with elaborate parades, costumes, and king cakes, drawing millions of visitors and showcasing the city's festive spirit. The city is known for its unique above-ground cemeteries, often referred to as cities of the dead, due to its high water table, which necessitates burial in mausoleums. New Orleans is a hotspot for ghost tours, with a rich history of voodoo, hauntings, and legends, making it one of the most haunted cities in the U.S. The term lagniappe, meaning a little extra, originated in New Orleans and reflects the city's generous hospitality and culture of giving a little more than expected.